Hi, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. On this channel you will see unboxings, and I also love to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants. So with that being said, today I have for you my 5th Rocksbox. Now you will notice I am halfway done up for date night, but I'm not completely done up. My hair is not done. I am not wearing the dress I'm going to wear tonight. It's just a little early here. I got ready a little early, and so I'm only halfway done up, but you came here for this. So let's go ahead and open Rocksbox up. So you have your pamphlet, which you open it up, and it tells you what you got. And then you have your little jewelry care package here. And then of course you have your little burrito with your 3 pieces of jewelry. Now, if you want more details about this box subscription, go down below and I will have my playlist. You'll get more information about this box. Also, my link will be down below if you would like to sign up. The first month is on me, but if you want to do that, go ahead and jump on that, because I probably will not be unboxing this going into the month of May. So you have your return shipping label here. And let's see. The first thing we have is Kendra Scott Ever Necklace in Gold and Peach Mother of Pearl. There is no retail price, so member price is just $60. And of course it comes in the little packaging here. And I'm going to open that up. This time I have a little pamphlet in here, and I'm assuming, I'm not going to actually read this on film, but I'm just assuming it probably just says a little bit about her brand. And then it came in this little packet, but it just fell out. And this is what the necklace looks like. That's actually really pretty. I might wear that out to dinner tonight. I think that might look really well. Oh, my purse isn't back here. I think that'll match really well with the dress that I'm wearing tonight. But that is really pretty. I do like that. Probably not enough to keep it, but I will wear it. This is a renting service and a buying service, so I'm allowed to do that. The next thing we have here is the Rudiment Valencia Slider Bracelet. It retails for $80 and the price to me is $68. And it actually comes in a bag that says Rudiment. I did get Rudiment in my first box and I really didn't care for it, but this is a slider bracelet, so it actually has the piece here where you can pull it to tighten it. And that is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. Focus. My camera doesn't want to focus. So let's see, I'm going to slip this on, and these slider bracelets are really difficult for me to tighten by myself, so I'm just going to kind of hold it taut to my wrist, and that is what it looks like. It's okay. It's just okay. It's not my preferable style of jewelry, but it has this little stone that is the center of the eyeball. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it actually protrudes from the piece itself. So, I mean, that's kind of neat. And then it has the little blue gemstones on the inside. It's pretty. I don't know if it's really my style though. So the next thing we have is an Astor Pacific ring in gold and labradorite. The retail price is $70 and the cost to me is $59. I am using natural lighting here today and it is kind of dreary. I don't know what is going on with the Ohio dreary weather, but I don't know. kind of makes me feel blah myself. So this is kind of pretty. Again, I don't really think that it is my style. Let's see. Ooh, my fingers are swollen. My fingers are swollen. That's not cool. So it doesn't actually fit any of my fingers. I think if my fingers weren't swollen, I think that it would fit my ring finger. Oops. Let's see, so if I were to put it on my pinky finger, it doesn't fit. It wants to fall right off, but maybe you can at least see it better that way. All right, so that is my 5th Rocksbox, and I mean, everything is just okay. I think I am going to try this on with the dress that I'm wearing tonight. The dress I'm wearing is a Calvin Klein dress, and it's a really pretty baby blue and white dress. So I think that I will wear this because the purse that I'm carrying tonight is pink. And with that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.